Okay, so at the request of a friend of mine, I'm going to do an unboxing video of this thing, which is the Arrma Mojave Grom. It is an 18th scale trophy truck style RC car. And I haven't done an unboxing video in a long time. So, without further ado, let's take a look, see what's inside. This is the blue and white one. For whatever reason, everyone likes the blue and white one. Nobody likes the red and black one. I don't know why. But I did find the blue one more attractive. So this is straight from the hobby store out in California. They shipped it to me. And I think they get it from Horizon Hobby just like this. This is what the box looks like. This is the one I got. And it is brushed. It is 2S. And it is nice and small and portable. I think. So, well, I guess I'll just open the box. I don't have any reason to read anything on the box. It's useless. Now the question is, can I figure out how to open the box? There it is. I haven't purchased an RC car in over 2 years. And I don't do RC cars very much because I've been into planes lately and trains even. So it's very basic packaging. You open it up. Car's the first thing you see, and obviously everything else is underneath it. Very easy, straightforward. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I gotta undo some clamps. Cool. Yeah, this is a tiny little thing, isn't it? It's funny. It's just, you can never judge how big the product is until you get it open and out of the box. But it's cool, you know, for the size. It's got oil-filled shocks. Like I said, brushed motor, 2S, comes with a LiPo battery. So I'm just going to pull out all those components. That's it. That's everything you get. I'm surprised that this doesn't balance. Maybe it would if it wasn't on the rug. But anyway, that's everything. There is not much there, but it comes with a nice little screwdriver, it looks like. Obviously your AA batteries. Charger. If you can believe it, this little thing. And it looks like it uses maybe an EC2 connector. Instruction manual. Yeah. Shock spacers. I will probably use those. And a really beefy freaking metal screwdriver, nut driver. That is actually pretty impressive. Okay, so let's take the top off real quick. Actually, this is pretty cool. So the thing that everybody raves about with this car is the quick release system. So instead of pins, it's got these push buttons on the side, and the thing comes right off. Brilliant. And then pop it right back on. It's like the coolest thing ever. Okay. Has a heat sink on the motor, so that's good. Here's your receiver. before you bash, fun needs safety. Remember that. Okay, here's a little battery. Typical Spectrum brand LiPo. Nice hard case, of course, for RC cars. Let's see what else we've got here. It's a pretty basic little thing. There's not a whole lot going on. I'm going to do a test run of it, but it'll be in a different video. It actually has, check this out, it's got a little fan in there that actually blows on the motor. I can't tell if it blows on the motor or if it blows on the ESC. But that's really interesting. I've never seen that before in such a small car. But that's it. It's pretty cool. So put that back together. Can't wait to test drive this little thing. Looks like it's got a pretty rugged chassis. Nice solid chassis. You know, skid plate underneath. Arms. Everything seems pretty strong. I've heard on a couple of the forums to beef up the arms to something maybe aluminum, or you know, just to make it a little bit more solid. But I think it'll be just fine as is. Body seems tough. It'll be a fun little thing, especially in the winter. Take it off some jumps. But anyway, that's it. And then you get this little remote. It's a tiny little thing. But anyway, all up. Do a quick last shot of everything that's in there. There you have it. Thanks for watching.